Of Georgia first time ever indigenously produced a Bengali feature film. Anudito, a collection of 5 untold stories, was screened at the Berkman High School in Atlanta, Georgia. Anudito, the first indigenous Bengali film made by the local talent from the greater Atlanta area, has been successfully accepted by the South Asian community here in the United States. Anudito, with a twist in every tale, shared 5 short stories, with each story having something to say, something to think about. Anudito unfolds the mysteries of complex human emotions like anger, love, and betrayal. The screening began with the lamp lighting ceremony, followed by which an introduction of the film was given.
The opinion, the taste, the language, what our Indian cinema needs above everything else is a sense of style, an idiom that would make it uniquely Indian. And today, Team Onudito can confidently say that Onudito as a movie has added an idiom to modern Indian cinema in the short story genre.
We expect probably 250, 300 people here. We have already screened this movie. This is the 3rd time it's going on. So I think there is a significant buzz going on in the marketplace. This is the first, as you said, this is the first Bengali movie in Atlanta.
Anudito is all about 5 stories which are based on the 5 emotions of humans, of any person. These are very common emotions that we possess, and if you watch it, you'll be able to identify with each and every character in the movie.
Invited as the chief guest at the screening was Subhash Rasdan. He shared some words about Bengali artists and Bengali films.
Bengali is so talented, and you've always heard of music, classical songs. But look at Satyajit Ray. He is the most icon for filmmaking. Nationally, they read the Bharat Ratna of filmmaking. And I'm sure Shantanu Basu would agree, in this field. He, along with Charlie Chaplin and I think Ingmar Bergman, they were recognized as the top-notch filmmakers. So what is filmmaking? And, Mr. Basu, filmmaking is nothing but storytelling. How do you tell the story? So it does not matter, the language is no barrier.
It's my great honor and privilege to be here today. Being an Bengali 100% by origin, it is my great luck that I am in Atlanta and seeing the great talents of the local Atlantans, and especially under the direction of Mr. Shantanu Basu and the producer Nilanjana Basu. They have done a fantastic job, no doubt about it. And because it's been always said that without a strong core team member and team output, it is very difficult to bring the result. This is what I have seen in this movie, and I wish all the best to everybody.
It was very good. It was a very nice experience. This was not the first time that I worked with them. We actually have done a lot of plays together, so the comfort factor was always there. And that flexibility that we needed was very much there. And we did a lot of workshops, vocal trainings. So at the end of it, it didn't make much of a difference whether it was a professional or an amateur. It was a pleasure working with them.
Namaskar and welcome to Community Roundup on TV Asia. Bengali film Anudito की special screening सभी ने कहा खूब भालो. Well, एक खास तोहफा मिला अटलांटा के फिल्म लवर्स को बंगाली फिल्म अनुदितो के रूप में. यहाँ इस फिल्म की स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग के मौके पर जमकर लोगों ने इसकी तारीफ भी की.
है जो अपने पीछे अपनी पहचान छोड़ जाए, हमें कुछ ऐसा कह जाए जिसे सीख कर जीवन आसान हो जाए। ऐसे ही नहीं कहते कि सिनेमा हमारे जीवन का आईना होता है। सच्चाई दिखाने के लिए बंगाली फिल्म अनदितो की स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग अटलांटा में रखी गई, जहां लोगों ने भारी संख्या में आकर इसे देखा और दिल से की फिल्म की तारीफ।
The movie was fantastic. The crew and the casting was awesome. They're my friends and I really enjoyed it.
I think there is a significant buzz going on in the marketplace. This is the first, as you said, this is the first Bengali movie in Atlanta. So we expect that Santanu and Nilanjana is going to do more movies.
It's a good 5-part movie, and with all different stories to talk about in our day-to-day life.
फिल्म अनदितो की कई खासियत है। इस फिल्म में 5 कहानियां हैं जो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग हैं।
The first one is anger. We're talking about a person, how he controls his anger. We have shown different sides of anger, what a person does when he normally gets angry, and how this central character controls his anger. The second one is love, that is the sensitive side of each human being. And then we have betrayal, just the opposite of love, how one person cheats the other person. And then we have promise. It's again a human emotion side, that if a person promises something to their relatives, to what extent they would go. And the last one is fear, which is again after watching that movie, each parent would take a lesson with them. So all the 5 stories are very different from each other.
फिल्म में काम करने वाले लोग भी काफी खुश हैं, जिनकी बेजोड़ मेहनत की वजह से फिल्म कंप्लीट हुई है। The cast of the movie was depicted by the director. When he sketched each and every character on paper, he had a little bit of characterizations in his mind and everything. And he knew some of the people here who were interested in making the movie with us. So that's how we found them, discovered them, and it went.
So the entire crew is from Atlanta?
Yeah. Everyone is from Georgia, and we already had that concept, that who would suit this character, and that's how it came up. फिल्म का हिस्सा बनकर सभी कलाकार काफी खुश नजर आए। आखिर उन्हें मौका जो मिला है अपने टैलेंट को पेश करने का।
It was a great experience. First of all, I did with Shantanu, I did a lot of acting on stage, but this was a very different experience in front of the camera, and the character was definitely it was balancing two parts. You have seen with wife, and then the character that I made before. So it was a challenging character, but under Shantanu's able direction, it was I enjoyed the working with him.
So it's a very unique story, and I must admit it was amusing that amongst the cast members, the main cast members, that was me and my younger sister, we also didn't know what our director Shantanu was actually planning to do till the very end. We were also like kind of, where is this heading? And he was coming up with twists and turns, and it really ended beautifully. And I think it was very much appreciated by most of the audience. The story has come out wonderfully.
I played a role of Arup in the movie Love, and we are just family friends of Shubho. It's a nice, soft, story wherein Shubho had a love affair with his girlfriend, but for some reason they couldn't get married, and he moved on, but his girlfriend still kind of was waiting for him. So that's a very soft story, very nice story.
फिल्म को देखने के लिए कुछ जाने माने चेहरों ने भी शिरकत की, जिनका मानना है कि ऐसी फिल्में हमेशा बनती रहनी चाहिए.
I am wonderstruck and it is awesome. Look at the talent and look at the storytelling. They have broken this into about 5 parts and each part has a very meaningful theme. Anger, then betrayal, then love and promise, and each of these segments are very well acted by the local talent. I think I'm very proud to be an Atlantan because all this talent is now Atlantan. The storytelling has been wonderful. I think audio is terrific, photography, cinematography is great, and I wish them all the luck and hope they come up with a sequel to this. Very soon we'll probably have a production in Atlanta. Hollywood, move over.
अनुदितो फिल्म ह्यूमन स्टोरी को कुछ यूं पेश करती है जैसे मानो कि ये आपकी ही जीवन की कहानी है, और यही कारण है कि इससे लोग रिलेट भी कर पा रहे हैं.